Welcome to Sankalp classes. This year, Sankalp class going to launch a series for class 5th student for Odisha Adarsa Vidyalaya entrance test, OAVS and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance test, JNV. In today's class, or this is the first class, we are going to deal about our state Odisha, Vidhan Sabha of Odisha and central government structure. Our state Odisha, its capital is Bhubaneswar. In Bhubaneswar, one house is called Vidhan Sabha. The members elected to this legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha is called member of the legislative assembly or MLA. To elect our MLA, one person can give the vote if he or she enter into or attain the age of 18 years. Let us discuss about the Vidhan Sabha of Odisha. Vidhan Sabha of Odisha. So Vidhan Sabha, its member known as MLA, member of the Legislative Assembly. Total member to Odisha Vidhan Sabha is 147. The head of any state is the governor, and the governor appoints the chief minister. The duration of each MLA or the tenure of each MLA is only 5 years. The governor appointed by the president. Clearly mentioned, chief minister appointed by the governor, governor appointed by the president. The governor of Odisha is Honorable Srijukta Haribabu Kamampati. Chief Minister of Odisha is Honorable Srijukta Mohan Charan Majhi. The law making work is basically done by the legislative and law checking work is done by the court, or you can call it judiciary. The High Court of Odisha is located in Cuttack. Central government work at the country level. The law making work of the central government vested or given to the President, Loksabha and Rajya Sabha. So President, Loksabha and Rajya Sabha, all these three are together called Sansad or the Parliament. Our Sansad or the Parliament have two houses, that is called Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The law checking authority in our country is Supreme Court. That is called the Apex Court of India, or Apex Court of the judiciary system is Supreme Court. Its location is New Delhi. The head of the country is President. The name of our President is Srimati Draupadi Murmu, who belong from Odisha state. Now we are going to discuss about the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. Its location in New Delhi. All the members to the Rajya Sabha, means all the MPs of the Rajya Sabha, are directly elected by the MLA, not by the people. The permanent president of Rajya Sabha is vice president. Its total member is 250. Out of these 250 members, 12 members are nominated by the President of the India Total duration of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Total member from Odisha to Rajya Sabha is only 10. Let's discuss about the Loksabha. It is the house of the people. It is temporary house. Its location is in New Delhi. All the all the MP of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. Those who attain the age of 18 years. So its permanent president of the is speaker, or the permanent president of Lok Sabha is speaker. Total member to the Lok Sabha is 545. Previously, two Anglo-Indian members are nominated by the president to the Lok Sabha. But now, no member or zero member nominated by the president to Lok Sabha. The duration of Lok Sabha is 5 years. Total member of Odisha, those who are elected to the Lok Sabha, is 21. Thank you. Have a nice day.